Yo, assemble the clan, the name of the game is shadow and stealth. Mercenaries, we assassins for hire, it's down to the wire, we cutting your health. Never seen, we are something else. It's in our genes, keep it in the belt. Set the scene, if the money green, then we're hunting your team, leave nobody else. Put the game in the chokehold with the vocals, most souls at the pose with the no-shows. Those bros really local with the flow, yo, they should go pro, won't fold, only thing we know is go. Gotta hit you slow folks with the okie doke. Only see me right away when I'm on the boat. I'm the one with the smoke, not the one to provoke. You can tug in the roast, and we under the coat. Talking like Zom B, on the undead, watching the RunDead spot. Got 33 in the next beat, Rosie, yeah, giving that bob if you wanted to not. Know how to rock like we hugging the block. Krow on patrol and controlling the crowds. Perpetual brother, don't know when to stop. They overdose on all this potency watch. Never had to go to shoulder the pop. Stepping up with a team, better than watch. Became a soldier instead of the yachts. We killing for nothing like enemy cops. Who's super looking and said we too hot. Brutally cooking on every drop. Go and try to take my spot if you want it. You probably end up with the head in the box.
Down in the dark, in the village of the shadow, where the carcass and cartilage is swinging from the gallows, where the heartless took darts and coat venom on their arrows. If you're marked, torn apart by these villains in a battle. The murder, clan from the land of the silent sting. Time to bring anybody with a violent string. Slide in, catch a party and hide the thing. Snipe the king of serpents. Crime is a hole, we apply the sin. Grimy kin, you lobby with a fire stick. Smiling green, get the copy to enlighten it. Die to win. What you never saw was some mercs for hire. The thirst desire me, I am the dirt messiah. Alert and wired, PTSD, cursed and tired. Insert the die so they feel till my hearse required. Reverse the tide, so that you can feel the creeping come dread. While you've been sleeping, I've been seeking out some fun threads. You feel it seeping, hear it sweeping through your stunned head. The clan of reaping is proceeding under RunDead.
Got a rosy disposition for your current situation. You've got to keep on wishing it's not your final destination. You'll feel the vibe raging during quiet contemplation. I've been patient, you've been waiting just to start the conversation. Feel vibrations in the soul, dissipation of the mold. Meditation, take control, dedication to the goal. We evolve, that's why we are separated from the fold. Be resolved, pay no mind while they comply, we dig for gold. We live life in full bloom, go through phases like the moon. We are flower empowered, we don't wake up till afternoon. Hit that snooze mood, make that move to do what you do, according to you, dude. And who knew, when this had all begun, that I'd be kicking it with Krow, threat, Zom and one. It's ridiculous, I go get on the run. Dead roster forever, the outspoken ones.
Coming down to the ground for a minute just to round up a couple of the bunker folk. Never down on provisions, hear the sound better, listen to the nearby rustle in the undergrowth. Hunting boat, stabilizer, whiskey biscuit. Mountain Dew was originally a whiskey mixer. It's the drip to mix with that copperhead road, where the moon shines heavy like a proper headstone. Yeah, so come on, get going, make your way to the rally point. That a boy, young fella learning from his daddy boy, carrying his own cup, he relying on a caddy boy. Paranoid, always acting sheepish over cattle noise. Head down, high ground, leave no traces. Leave outsiders making emo faces. RunDead Alliance, here to veto statements. Always looking forward, that's how we go places.
I don't need nothing, a bit of weed, get the bees puffing my peeps on that codeine like it means something. High streets bumping OG shit and mean mugging, keep it coming back like CBs if you need something. We've been stuck in old ways since the old days, playing with the music we created back in 08. Don't play, we known to shut it down like a broke gate. You don't say toe blades, so don't make a throat gate. Keep it cool with killers on the beat, we better so strange. Keep it cool with victories, competing battle blow brains. Heated battle show strain, no pain, no gain. Outflow blaze affect the brain like it's cocaine. Keep it silent, best believe we know with no names. Like Dan said, we blame it on cause it's so safe. Recognize that this is not a game, respect the slow play. RunDead, they ain't ready for us, no way.